Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rage Varshita, graduating in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. I am belonging to Department of Basic Science. Today's subject is Introduction to Mechanical Engineering and topic is about solar energy. Solar energy is the radiant light and heat from the sun that is harnessed using a range of technologies such as solar power to generate electricity, solar thermal energy. It is an essential source of renewable energy and its technologies are broadly characterized as either passive solar or active solar depending on how they capture and distribute solar energy or convert it into the solar power. Active solar techniques include the use of photovoltaic systems, concentrated solar power, and solar water heating to harness the energy. Passive solar techniques include orienting a building to the sun, selecting materials with favorable thermal mass or light dissipation properties, and designing spaces that naturally circulate air. This is a picture of how solar energy generated. In 2011, the International Energy Agency said that the development of affordable, inaccessible, and clean solar energy technologies will have huge longer benefits. It will increase countries' energy security through reliance on an indigenous, inaccessible, and mostly import-independent resource, enhance sustainability, reduce pollution, lower the cost of mitigating global warming. These advantages are global. Solar radiation is absorbed by the Earth's land surface, oceans, which cover about 71% of the globe, and atmosphere. Warm air containing evaporated water from the oceans rises, causing atmospheric circulation or convection. When the air reaches a high altitude where the temperature is low, water vapor condenses into clouds which rain onto the Earth's surface, completing the water cycle. The latent heat of water condensation amplifies convection, producing atmospheric phenomena such as wind, cyclones, and anticyclones, sunlight absorbed by the oceans and land masses keeps the surface at an average temperature of 14 degrees Celsius. By photosynthesis, green plants convert solar energy into chemically stored energy which produce wood, food and biomass from the which fossil fuels are derived. Uses of solar energy. Solar energy has long been used directly as source of thermal energy. Beginning in the 20th century, technological advances have increased the number of uses and applications of the sun's thermal energy and opened the doors for the generation of solar power. Solar energy on its own can't cannot be relied on around the clock. It is a variable energy source that generates more electricity on sunny days. Scientists and engineers also continue to improve solar technologies. Many focus on making solar PV cells thinner, lighter, flexible, and transparent. This could let users install solar PV in new places like on windows. It could also drive down cost. Today, solar PV is one of the cheapest source of new energy being built, second only to wind energy. The International Energy Agency forecast that solar will be the largest source of energy in the world before the end of this decade and rate it as the only energy generating technologies whose growth is on track to meet the world's climate goals. The unique advantages of solar PV is that it's easy to scale up or down. Disadvantages of solar energy is relocation difficulty, scarcity of material, dependency on sunlight and weather, initial installation of panels have high cost, associated with pollution, have some environmental downside, storage of solar energy is expensive, lengthy permission process. Advantages of solar energy. Renewable energy source, safe option, government incentives, improved efficiencies, long-lasting solution, easy installment, Return on investment. Advantages and disadvantages of solar energy. Advantages are save money to operate, reduce air pollution, reduce dependence on imported oil. Solar plants last as long as nuclear or coal, 30 to 40 years. New plants have low land use, backup and storage devices available. And disadvantages are making solar cells produce toxic chemicals. Old solar cell plants take up large land area, can damage fragile desert ecosystems. Solar plants are costly too, etc. Thank you for watching my video.